Get this free plugin to have your vocals sit in front of your mix before it's too late. Let's get right to the video. So this plugin is designed to add distortion, which helps get you that in your face mix. It has 3 settings right here, which is our soft, sensitivity, normal, and high. Also keep in mind that this plugin adds a little compression, even though it doesn't say it is, but it's adding compression. So make sure before you send your vocals off to this one that it is leveled correctly, because it will add a little bit of compression. And right now I have this plugin at the very end of my chain, and it's actually not in my solo channel. I have it in a aux. Normally you don't do, but for this specific reason, I know I have it there. Okay, just for you can hear the tone changing throughout the whole vocals, and I don't have to add the plugin for each of the vocals. All right, so let's get started. I have a little setting here, but let's move everything to default. Okay, let's listen to the song without the effect.
This that hard work, there's not no pay to win. If the odds against me, I'm a bit again. I'm on a roll running like I'm in a race. Always first place, never last place. I know you used to trapping at the bando, and I used to mobbing in a rental. Now we big bang balling with our neck froze. This is my shit and I won't let go. I said I can't go broke. This that hard work, does not pay to win. I took.
All right, so that's how it sounds without Lil Tube. So let's go ahead and make some adjustments to add some distortion into the vocals so it can sit in front of the mix. So we'll keep our sensitivity at normal. If we need to change it later on, we will. Also, soft, normal, and high. It also controls how much distortion it is. I've noticed on the high, you get that super heavy. It sounds like it's coming through an amp, a pedal, or something like that. But for now, we'll keep it simple. We'll keep it on normal. So what I'm looking for now is this red light right here, or I'm sorry, this light. It'll show it'll get brighter as the effect is working. Normally that's when the compression is hitting, and that's when the distortion is hitting. So let's get it to a point where I'm happy how it sounds like. It's not too loud, it's not too distorted. And what I'm looking for is a little bit of distortion, not too much where it sounds like I'm in a rock band. But let's go get started. I'm gonna move the drive knob slowly as we listen to the vocals. I'm gonna go ahead and solo it, and I'll decide from there.
This that hard work, there's not no pay to win. If the odds against me, I'm a bit again. I'm on a roll running like I'm in a race. Always first place, never last place. I know you used to trapping at the bando, and I used to mobbing in a rental. Now we big bang balling with our neck froze.
All right, so right there, we're a little too hot. Actually, a lot too hot. It's starting to mess up with the dynamics of my vocals. So I'm gonna turn it down. I was happy about around 4.5. So let's listen to it again and turn it down.
This that hard work, there's not no pay to win. If the odds against me, I'm a bit again. I'm on a roll running like I'm in a race. Oh.
Also, keep in mind while you're adding any effects or compression that you want to pay attention to the perceived loudness. Sometimes because it's loud doesn't mean it sounds better, okay? So we're going to adjust the volume after the fact.
This that hard work, there's not no pay to win. If the odds against me, I'm a bit again. I'm on a roll running like I'm in a race. Always first place, never last place. I know you used to.
All right, so I'm happy where it's at, 4.5. But for this tutorial, let's go crank it up all the way to 10 so you can hear the difference.
This that hard work, there's not no pay to win. If the.
All right, it's already screeching my ear, so we're going to stop it from right there. So that setting is on normal. Like I said, if you put it on high, you get more of that distortion. So let's hear that.
This that hard work, there's not no pay to win.
Okay, so if you're like in a rock band or something, that would be a good setting. But for in this case, we're just going to keep it on normal. We're going to keep it at 4.5. And now what we're going to do is we're going to watch our audio or listen to our audio. And we're going to make sure that the volume and decibels is set to the amount that I wanted it to be at before the plugin, and make sure it matches where it's at after the plugin. All right. So let's go before.
This that hard work, there's not no pay to win. If the odds against me, I'm a bit again. I'm on.
Okay. And after.
This that hard work, there's not no pay to win. If the odds against me, I'm a bit again. I'm on a roll running.
So I'm gonna go to the mixer here and I'm gonna look where my decibels are at before and after the plugin.
This that hard work, there's not no pay to win. If the odds against me, I'ma bet again. I'm on a roll running like I'm in a race. Always first.
So I'm sitting within the -10, -15 pocket. Not go any higher, so let's make sure we're sitting around there after the plugin using our gain output here.
This that hard work, there's not no pay to win. If the odds against me, I'ma bet again. I'm on a roll running like I'm in a race. Always first place, never last place. I know you used to trapping at the bando, and I used to mobbing in a rental. Now we big bang balling with our neck froze. This is my shit and I won't let go.
Okay, as you can tell, the vocals now sound like they are in front of you, in your face. Great for rap vocals. So let's go ahead and listen to how the vocals sound without and with the plugin. I'm going to bypass it on and off. Make sure you guys are having headphones on, by the way. If not, this video is most likely pointless.
This that hard work, there's not no pay to win. If the odds against me, I'ma bet again. I'm on a roll running like I'm in a race. Always first place, never last place. I know you used to trapping at the bando, and I used to mobbing in a rental. Now we big bang balling with our neck froze. This is my shit and I won't let go.
All right, so now let's hear it with everything else. And you're going to notice how up close, up front the vocals sound.
This that hard work, there's not no pay to win. If the odds against me, I'ma bet again. I'm on a roll running like I'm in a race. Always first place, never last place. I know you used to trapping at the bando, and I used to mobbing in a rental. Now we big bang balling with our neck froze. This is my shit and I won't let go. I said I can't go.
Okay, so let's go back and forth with everything in the mix. And I'm going to turn on and off the plugin so you can get a clear understanding on what this plugin is doing.
This that hard work, there's not no pay to win. If the odds against me, I'ma bet again. I'm on a roll running like I'm in a race. Always first place, never last place. I know you used to trapping at the bando, and I used to mobbing in a rental. Now we big bang balling with our neck froze. This is my shit and I won't let go. I said I can't go, bro. This that hard work, there's not pay to win. I took a break, but promise I won't be late again. This is my time, my shine, I'm yelling out. I can't go, bro. This that hard work, it's not pay to win. I took a break, but promise not to be late again. This is my time, my shine, I'm yelling out.
And that's how you get your vocals to sit up close using Waves Lil Tube. Free plugin out now. I'll leave the link down here in the description. And if this video helped you out, make sure y'all hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for the next video. It's your boy Dars, and I'm out of here. Peace.